Hello everybody, this is Dastikop. I once again welcome you all for 1 minute cloud computing session. Whenever people hear the word cloud computing, they often wonder why is it called cloud computing, and in this session I will explain the same. See, there are historical and technical reasons for which cloud computing is used. The name cloud computing was inspired by the cloud symbol that is often used to represent internet in the flowcharts and the diagrams. As you can on the right side, there are a couple of machines which are connected to internet, and this internet is actually indicated by a symbol called cloud. Similarly, whenever we build an electrical circuit and we will connect it to an outside source of an electrical power station or no, then also we indicate it with a cloud. So cloud computing is a general term for anything that involves delivering hosted services from the internet. The second technical reason to use cloud computing as a name is very simple. It is to make things abstract and make interfaces very simple, and this is made clear by an expert from Google. According to him, the cloud computing comes from the early days of the internet, where we drew network as a cloud. We didn't care where the messages went, and the cloud hid it from us. The implications of this are very simple. So whenever you're working in a part of a network, you don't have to know the details of rest of the network. All that you have to know is how to interface with them and get the things done. So this idea of abstracting is used as a cloud symbol in this. But now the idea of abstract has been extended to everything. For example, even in networking, you are only concerned about the network components of your system. Rest will be taken care by connections. Similarly, this is also used in terms of infrastructural complexities of servers, applications, data, and heterogeneity. So the second reason why cloud computing symbol is used in cloud computing is to keep things abstract level. Another reason why cloud computing is called so is historical in nature. As we know, in the earlier days when people were building telephone network across the world, they used to represent different part of the world or different regions using a cloud symbol as shown in the picture. And as the internet was building in the 1960s, they were also inspired by this telephone industry to represent a network. So they started using a symbol of cloud to represent a particular network within the internet. Another reason why cloud symbol is used in cloud computing is to keep things simple. The very philosophy of cloud computing is to make the life of an end user very simple and easy. So in order to achieve this, it has to keep the details away from him and make the interface as simple as possible. Probably we can be understood from a given example like this. See, whenever you make an international call or an STD call, you don't care how actually it reaches your end point or whether the person for whom you are trying to make a call. It may go through a satellite, or it may go through a landline, or it could be a mobile device. Okay, so the point is that you should reach. So the intermediate details of how it is passing through is not either known to you or you don't need to know. Similarly, in cloud computing, the whole details of the technicalities are actually kept away from the one, and all these details are included in a cloud symbol.